January 2nd, some apartments, tile repair, squirrel damage. Squirrel damage. You don't think they're doing anything. What the hell they aren't. There he is. Going to the next fucking building. Fucking turd. Hope your little squirrel wife cheats on you. Just gotta run and go grab some sealant. Go ahead and finish. But otherwise, another successful tile repair. If you guys enjoyed the content, consider liking and subscribing and hitting that notification bell to stay up to date. Frenchie Roofer out. Frenchie Roofer here. Got called out to not a leak this time, so squirrel investigation. So stay tuned to see what's going on. We got some of these tiles at the very edge here, spacing out. Lets me know little critters getting in there somewhere and causing all this damage. So stay tuned. Can't see much up there. You're gonna have to go ahead and get it from the POV content. Consider liking and subscribing, hitting that notification bell to stay up to date. Frenchie Roofer in it. Frenchie Roofer here. I was on a how to change plywood from squirrel damage, and I came across these beautiful little things, little hairless guys. I went ahead and put them in this box, and I'm gonna try to get them somewhere so they can be safe. Hopefully the mom will come back and, you know, keep mothering these things. It's just one of those sad things being a roofer. You come across stuff like this all the time and never want to be the bearer of bad news. So I'm going to try to get these things somewhere safe. Consider liking and subscribing. Frenchie Roofer out. Frenchie Roofer here. Got a good one for you today. I got some squirrels making their way on in, damaging this customer's rake tile and throwing it down to the below.